Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a lovely special guest. I have my sister
Michelle.
Yes, and we are doing something different today. We are building a gingerbread village kit. No, I'm not cooking. We're gonna do a challenge and you will comment whose gingerbread house is better looking or which one you like more. You can give a little thumbs up for Team Sabrina or a thumbs up for Team Michelle. Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy this video, please like it, subscribe. So we have a mini gingerbread village kit. We are gonna do a challenge. We're gonna try to do this in under 10 minutes. We're gonna see who can build the house the fastest, the best looking, and just great. So yeah. And you guys will let us know in the comment section down below.
I'm definitely going to be making it better than her.
We will see. I am the more creative one.
I'm a Pisces. It's in my nature.
I'm a Sagittarius. I'm gentle. But yeah, let's get started. So we have cut up our gingerbread houses. We have separated our pieces. We have 5 options and we picked 2 each. And we're just gonna go ahead and do it, and we're gonna see who can do it the best, and you guys will comment down below. Don't forget to comment down below, and also don't forget to smash that like button. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like that button. So yeah, we're gonna get started. We have 1 piping bag, so this is gonna be hard. We have 2 tips, and we have our little we have our little decorations right here. And so we're gonna get started. You wanna go first?
Oh no, it's okay, you go first.
Thank you.
I'll learn from her mistakes.
So I'm just gonna put this on. We have 2 little nozzle tips, a little star tip and a plain circle tip. Oh, this is a lot harder than I thought. Gingy. No, forget it. I'm going old school. The old nozzle tip. So first I'm gonna build my base.
I'm definitely learning.
Oh shoot, that's my window. Oops, I did it the wrong way. Yeah.
Do you want me to hold it down for you until it sets?
Yeah, sure, why not? This looks horrible.
I think once you like start putting on like the little candies on it, I think it'll look so much more better.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let this dry right here.
These nozzle tips suck. Yeah, you're right. I think once I do the candy,
it'll look so much more better, yeah.
I'm gonna start decorating the top and you could do that.
Alright.
So this is what my top looks like.
Let me see. It looks cool.
It's really... I'm not gonna bring myself down. It looks good.
What's the A for?
Oh, it's not an A. I was trying to do zigzag.
Oh. Dude, this is really hard. What is this? Did you put a tip back on here?
Yeah.
That explains that.
The candy is so good.
I love how smooth it comes out.
I like building gingerbread houses, but I hate eating it.
Really?
I'll just eat the candy and that's it.
I love eating it. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the biggest fan of the frosting.
Yeah, I don't like the frosting either.
But I still eat it.
Alright.
It looks
good. Thank you. Sorry, my camera cut off. Back to business. So,
business. I hate myself.
So So I'm squeezing on a little more. I think I was squeezing on too little.
Or too much.
No, this is a big bag of icing. I'm just gonna squeeze it on up.
Guys, look at my bird. Look how cute she is. Ugh, I miss her little feet. They're so pink.
My sister has the cutest parrot. I'm a cat person. She's a
I'm a bird person. I have been since like, how long?
I don't know.
It's been such a long time, but yeah, I'm like a big time bird person. I mean, I love cats too, and dogs and other animals, but birds are my little feathered friends.
My sister's also a vegetarian.
It's called 20 Questions. Have you ever heard of it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna be guessing something and...
How do you play? I've never played.
Okay, I'm not sure if I'm playing this right, but this is how I played it. So basically, I'm thinking about something and you have to ask 20 questions and try to guess after answering, after I give you like the answers of those questions. So like, for example, you ask like, oh, what color is it? Can I eat it? Or like, is it edible?
So is it a food or?
Okay, so question 1. Actually, can I? Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm ready now. Go.
You looked over there. Is it a food?
Yes, it's a food.
What color is it?
Brown.
What's the pattern?
The pattern? I mean, it has all types of patterns on it.
Is it a gingerbread house?
That was like the lamest one. I mean, I made it easy for you though.
Okay. This is also like a brown caramel color.
Okay, okay.
It's a food.
I was supposed to ask that. Okay, just pretend I asked it. Okay, is it a food?
Oops.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Does it have black stuff on it?
No.
Okay, is it sweet?
Yes.
I'm trying to think of what else. Is it a Middle Eastern dish?
No.
Is it crunchy?
No.
Is it soft?
Yeah.
Is it honey?
Yeah. Gingerbread cookies are,
I swear they're like
so fantastic.
Oh, oh, oh. Guys,
Okay, I'm gonna transfer this into a Ziploc. We're back. We just transferred the icing into a piping bag because
you can tell
it
who
popped.
did it.
Yeah.
I'm just
So,
using the extra frosting.
This might be easier now. But I have to twist the top so it doesn't start squeezing from the top.
Okay, yeah. So do you
This
wanna?
is so much easier.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Because you have a better grip at squeezing it. Except it doesn't look like that. Like yours came out nice. This is a little thicker.
Oh, that's because you're using a different tube. You should have put this one on.
What is in it?
My finger literally looks like those long donuts.
Okay, are you ready? This is Team Sabrina. This is my little house, my little door, which looks like I stitched it. I have some little snow right there and candy. This is my home, my little village. Then we have Team Michelle. Hers looks all cute.
It's super plain.
Super cute. Her roof, the details on her roof. Amazing, amazing details on my roof. Oh, her back.
You gotta get the back of it.
How
I'm most proud of that.
It looks like Christmas lights.
Yep, that was my goal.
What's my back? Oh, don't look there. Comment down below what team you are on. Team Michelle or Team Sabrina. But personally, I think we are both winners. Thank you for sticking around and watching us build these gingerbread houses, which took us so long.
Oh my god, yeah.
This is actually a lot more time consuming than I thought, a lot harder than I thought. That piping bag was a total disaster.
It popped like 3 times.
Yeah, and the piping tip just sucks. I thought it was gonna come out smoothly. I thought this was gonna go a lot differently, but it did not, so.
But I mean, once again, don't forget, patience is a virtue.
But I don't think we did a bad job.
Yeah,
In my
overall we
eyes,
did pretty good.
We are both winners. And we both deserve a trophy.
Thank you for having me on the
Trophy
show.
for you, a trophy for you, me.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, thank you.
I'm crowning her the winner with the tip.
No, we'll crown each other. We'll put it in the middle. But now we're gonna destroy this and eat it, or just throw it away. But thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed this little gingerbread village building kit.
Somewhere down here.
Yes, like it. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for future notifications so you never miss a video.
Ever.
Thank you again for watching, and I wish you guys all a happy holiday. I would like to thank my special guest, my lovely sister, for coming on with me today.
Me. I had a lot of fun.
Thank you. Yeah, bye. Bye.